Do you know sometimes you could be standing in the way of receiving help? Do you know sometimes you could be your own worst enemy and you could be the very reason why you don't get any help? Today I'll be talking about how to make it easy to get help. Inspira Central. Inspira Central. Inspira Central. Inspira Central. Hello, fellow Inspirers. Welcome to Inspira Central. My name is Monica and I'm the Chief Inspirer herself. It's good to have you here. Today I'll be talking about how to make it easy to get help. Do you know sometimes you could be standing in the way of receiving help? Do you know sometimes you could be your own worst enemy and you could be the very reason why you don't get any help? Today I'll be showing you how you may be standing in your own way and how to get out of your way so that help can come your way. The first thing I will say is get an education. Education is very important. Sometimes people want to help you, but because you're not educated, they don't quite know how to help you. And there are many jobs that require you to get an education. So if you're not educated, you may be shortchanging yourself. You may be putting yourself at a disadvantage. And when people think about openings that are available, they can't quite consider you because you don't have what it takes. You don't have the qualification. So if you want to get help easily, get an education. Get that education, get that certificate, get that training, and you will find out that help comes more easily than it used to come when you were uneducated. Education is important. Yes, it may not be a prerequisite for success for everyone, but it gives you an advantage and it gives you more options. So get an education today so that you can more readily receive the help that people are willing to give you. The second way to make it easy to get help is to have skills. Skills, knowledge. Knowledge is power. You've heard that saying, right? Indeed, it is true. Even in this day and age, get more skills. Whether they are tech skills, whether they are computer skills, whether they are handcrafts, whatever it is, get some skills. Do you know that when people don't quite know what you can do with your hands, what you can do with your mind, whether you're a good speaker, whether you're a writer, whatever it is, if people don't know whether you have skills, they may not be able to help you. But if you have skills and you let people know, see, I'm skilled at this thing, I know how to do this, I'm an orator, a natural at it, just give me a microphone and watch me do my wonders, watch me do what I do. Then they will be ready to help you. When an opportunity comes, they will say, oh yes, this person is good at this, let's suggest him, let us recommend him, let us refer him. And then they refer you because they know that you're skilled at this thing. But when you just stay, all you have is your certificate, for example, or you don't even have a certificate to begin with, you're just there, you haven't learned any skills, then you are wasting time. Then when help comes, they will say, oh, she's not qualified. Oh, he's not qualified. Oh, he doesn't have the skills. Let's look for somebody with the skill set. And then they will pass you by. They will just walk on by, even though they know you need help. But you don't have what it takes for them to help you. They cannot just help you like that when you don't have anything to offer. So you have to have something to offer them for them to be able to help you. People need to know that you're good at something. People need to know that you have what it takes. People need to know that you have the skills, you have the knowledge, so that when they refer you, you can actually bring something to the table. And they know that their referral is not a waste of their time. They know that you are somebody who can actually do what is required. You can give what it takes. You have the skills. So learn a skill today. And one thing about our world today, in this era, this internet era, is that there are so many skills you can learn online. There are many skills, there are many universities that offer free courses. There are many how-to YouTube channels. There are many YouTube channels where you can learn a thing or two. You can practicalize it, and before you know, you become a master of that craft. So go and get this information. It's out there, it's free of charge. Most of it is free of charge. And if you need to upgrade, if you need something that has a certification, if you need something that is paid, Pay for it. I mean, it's a skill that you will keep for the lifetime. It's a skill that you will keep for the whole of your life and nobody can take from you. So learn a skill. Keep adding on more skills because you never know when you're going to need those skills. You never know when an opportunity is going to present itself. So you want to be able to grab any opportunity that comes your way. Get these skills. They will be useful to you for a lifetime. And they will help you grab opportunities when they come knocking. Remember that opportunities do not come knocking every day. So you should be prepared. You should be ready. You should be on standby for when your opportunity comes knocking. The third tip for making it easy to get help is that you should be friendly. Ooh, this one. This one is something that we need to work on, especially those of us who are not very friendly and possibly have a choleric personality. Let us work on it. Be friendly. Oops, that one is a big one. You know, sometimes when people see you, if you don't talk to them, if you don't relate with them, they don't know that you have certain skills. They don't know you're good at doing something. They don't even know that you need help. And so you carry on with your problems on your back. But what they see is this person who is unfriendly, who doesn't smile, who is always frowning. They just see you going about like you've got it all together. And some of them just conclude you're proud. Some conclude you're pompous. Some of them say you don't care. Some of them say you're distant. They just label you different things. But what they don't realize is that you are just internalizing. You're just carrying things on your shoulders and you just feel you can do it alone. But then you never can tell when an opportunity will come because some people have the information that you don't have. Some people know when there is an opening. Some people know when there are opportunities that you can actually tap into. So if you're not friendly with them, if you don't relate with them, how would you know? How would you know when an opportunity presents itself? If you do not have the information at your fingertips and you do not go to those who have the information, how would you know? So it's important to be friendly. It's important to relate to people. It is important to have a few contacts here and there who can help you and point you in the right direction when there are vacancies, when there are openings, when there are opportunities that you would fit into. The fourth tip for how to make it easy to get help is to be teachable. You know, there are so many people who carry on with this I know it all behavior. You can't teach me anything. What do you have to show me? I know it all. I've got it all. They carry on like that. And then they have this arrogance that makes people just say, okay, you don't need my help. Why should I teach you? Why should I show you the way? Why should I guide you? Why should I direct you? And you don't want to be one of such people. Because those people miss out on lots of opportunities because they carry on with this arrogance and I know it all attitude. Nobody knows it all. Even if you think you know it all, trust me, there is much more to learn. Trust me when I say some other person knows something that you don't. And so we need each other. You need to learn from people. You need to be open-minded. Don't have a closed mindset. Because if you have a closed mindset like you know everything, like all the knowledge of the world is already in your head. I'm telling you, every day the world is changing. AI is changing things. The world is changing. The information that you have may just be outdated. And so you should be open to new information. You should be teachable. You should let people teach you. And somebody who has a teachable mindset, somebody who is approachable, somebody who wants to learn, who is eager to learn and loves to learn and is open to new information, gets help more easily than somebody who has a closed and short mindset. So be teachable and you will get more help easily. The fifth way to make it easy to get help is to have a positive mindset. It's the same thing we are talking about. Not just having a mindset where you're eager to learn and you love to learn new things, but to have this mindset of positivity where you're like, okay, let's not look at things from a negative perspective. Let us not be despondent. Let us be positive. Let us look at things from a good light and believe that good things can happen. Because if you're somebody who is always negative minded, people will just say, if I give this person this offer, if I tell this person of this opening, this person will say, nah, I know I'm not going to get it. I know. Don't you see, 200 people have applied. How will I get it? Me, get it. Please, please. Those people are better qualified than I am. There's no need. I won't even bother applying. That is you being despondent. That is you being negative minded. That is you being cynical and believing that nothing works out for good, which is not true. Everything works out if you believe that it will work out. If you're positive minded and you believe that things will work out for you, they will. So have an open mind, have a positive mind. Believe that good things can happen for you and happen to you. And if you have that mindset, people are going to be more willing to help you because they know that when they come to you with an idea, when they come to you with a concept, when they come to you with an opportunity, you're not going to just deflate everything and make them feel like it's not worth it. You're going to get on that train with them and say, let's go there, let's do it, let's try it. And even if you fail, you say, we'll try again, we'll try one more time. This is not the end of the road, let us try again. Because you have a positive mindset. But when you're carrying on with this, oh, this Debbie Downer, this it doesn't work out, this the world is a horrible place mentality, nobody will want to even tell you what is going on. Because they know that you are going to demoralize them the more. They know that you are going to make it look like nothing works out. And one thing is that they know that moods are contagious. They know that mindsets and attitudes are contagious. And so if they hang around you for too long with your negative mindset, they too are going to adapt and adopt a negative mindset. They know that they will start thinking like you. And so instead of bringing the idea to you, instead of presenting an opportunity to you, they will say, I'm not going there with that. Because when I get there, this my enthusiasm, this my fire is going to be drenched. They are going to just kill my fire, and I know that I will now give up on that thing. So I would rather not just take it to her. I will not take it to him. This is a cynical person. He believes nothing works out. This is a pessimistic person. She believes nothing works out, and so I am not taking my opportunity there. Let me go and try it on my own. Or let me give it to somebody who will try it out with me. Let me collaborate. Let me partner with somebody who is positive minded and not this negative Debbie Downer. That's how they'll do it. They'll just leave you alone. And you still there wondering, why is nobody helping me? Why is nobody assisting me? Why is nobody coming to my aid? It is because if they come to your aid, they know that you will not even take it as an opportunity. You will just say to yourself, no, it doesn't work. And they will start believing that. And they don't want to believe that. They want to stay upbeat. They want to stay optimistic. They want to stay happy. They want to stay expectant. And they want to move in that positive mindset. So they are completely avoiding you. It's no fault of theirs, it's completely your fault. So have an open mindset and you will see that more help, more opportunities will come your way. So these are 5 tips that I have for you on how to make it easy for people to help you, how to be more help-able, if there's something like that. So these are the 5 tips I have. But I have written more tips on this topic. It is here in my blog post. Click the link below here in the video description and read the blog post and get some extra tips on how to make it easier for people to help you. I hope this video has inspired you to be more open-minded and to be more approachable and to make it easier for help to come your way. Because indeed, there is help everywhere, but you may have been putting yourself at a disadvantage. I hope this takes you from the disadvantaged position to the advantage position. I would love to hear more from you. Please tell me how this video has helped you. Tell me here in the comments section. Drop your comments below and tell me how this video has helped you get more help and to be more receptive and more approachable to get more help. Also, if you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to my channel. It is free of charge. Simply click the subscribe button and get subscribed to this channel today. Also, do not forget to click the notification button so you'll be notified as soon as I update. Please like and share my videos. Thank you very much for watching this video to the very end. I hope it was worth your while. Don't forget to be an inspiration. I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Please subscribe, click the notification button, like this channel, share our videos, and follow us on social media. Thank you very much. Inspira Central.